Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. And for those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix an unidentified error occurred on PS5. And if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you need to check for PSN server status. If you received a message, an unidentified error has occurred when purchasing on the PlayStation or PS Store, the first thing you should do is to check status of the PSN server. If the servers are down, you must wait until they become operational and try again to make your transaction on the PS Store. Second, verify your payment method. Another way to fix the problem is to check if your PSN account matches the region of your payment method. Ensure that your credit card and PS Store are in the same region. This problem is pronounced if you use a VPN service for your console, and the location of your console and payment account may not match. Before paying for your game, check your country or region selection, and here's how to verify your payment method. First, in the console menu, navigate to Settings and select User and Accounts. Choose Account and then Payment and Subscriptions. Choose Payment Method. Now verify your payment methods. You can add a new credit card if you accidentally lost your old one or got a new one. An identified error may appear if you try to pay with an old credit card that is no longer valid. Fill in the fields with your new credit card information and save the payment method as default. And lastly, now go to the PS Store and try to buy anything to check if an identified error is gone. Okay? So that is how you verify your payment method. Third, add funds to your PSN wallet. An identified error when making a PS Store purchase can occur because you don't have enough funds in your PSN wallet. In that case, you need to top up your wallet. So to do that, go to Settings menu, navigate to Settings and select User and Accounts. Choose Account. In Payment and Subscriptions, select Add Funds. Select your default payment method. Select your default payment method and how much you want to add to the PSN wallet. Lastly, visit PS Store. Finally, try to buy anything on the PS Store using your wallet and check if the error is fixed. Now, for the fourth method, change email address. An identified error when purchasing from the PS Store may appear for security reasons because you've been using your old email for too long. Change your existing email as follows. Navigate to Settings and select User and Accounts. Then choose the Sign In ID option, this one. Enter your new email address. So as you can see, if you change your sign-in ID, you will automatically sign out and need to verify your email address to sign back in. An email will be sent to your new email address. Follow the instructions to verify your email address. And once you've typed your new email address, click on Confirm. Then, after verifying the new email address, log into your PS account and try to buy anything on the PS Store. Restore the license on PS5. If the previous steps did not solve the unidentified error, try restoring your license on the PS5 console. So to do that, follow these steps. Navigate to Settings and select User and Accounts. Select Other and then Restore Licenses. This one, then Restore Licenses. Now select Restore. So if you become unable to use content you downloaded from PlayStation 4, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. If you select Restore, all games and apps in use will close. Now, once it is done, go to the PS Store and try to buy anything to check if an identified error is gone. Okay, so that is how you restore the license on PS5. And the last method is to restart PS5. The last step we recommend to solve the problem is to restart your console. A console power cycle will reset all running applications and processes, including those causing an identified error. So to restart the PS5, follow these steps. First, while PS5 is turned on, hold the power button until it turns off. Then, unplug the power cord and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Plug the power cable back in and turn on the console. And lastly, go to the PS Store to check if an identified error has occurred is fixed. So those are the methods that you can do to fix an identified error occurred on PS5. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!